There we go.
There go. Hi, everybody. Okay, good morning, good evening, Amari morning, and Amari evening to everyone. Like I said earlier on, first and foremost, we'd like to thank Tita Josie Tong for um, organizing this meeting tonight and also the earlier meeting today. So we're so happy to see everyone who joined us today, this afternoon, and all of you here na nandito ngayon sa ating online session. Welcome to Amare. So, for everybody's information, my name is Estela Buwan and I'm the General Manager for Amare Philippines. And it is our honor to welcome all of you with open hearts dito sa atin sa Amare. So, we're not going to be talking about sad stories, but what we are going to be talking about tonight are great opportunities that you can explore and you can feel and you can experience once you decide, of course, to join the team here in Amare. Tonight, I will be joined in by our team. Our operations director, Boji Amador, is also with us here tonight, joining us on this call. Say a few hello there, Boji.
Hello. Hello,
There,
everyone.
there you go. And of course, our marketing and events manager, Lance D, is also going to be here.
Hi, everyone. Good evening.
Kaya naman we're so excited to share with you all of the things that we want to share with you, no? Kung bakit ba Amare is the right choice now. So we move now to how we want to share with you. Ayan, Lance, parang ayaw yata mag-move ng aking slides. Okay, there. Okay, I think you have the control of the slides because I cannot move the slides. There. So, for all of you who are here joining us here on the call, I we're very aware that syempre nag-iisip tayo ngayon kung ano ba tong Amare, right? Like how is this built? Ano ba yung kinakatatayuan ng Amare? Because I'm pretty sure at this point there are doubts on your minds or there are questions on your minds that need some answers. Uunahin po natin to present to you tonight would be the ownership because we believe that ownership is key to any business engagement. Gusto nating malaman kung yung bang magiging mga partners natin sa negosyo na to are worthy of our time, worthy of our effort. Because I'm pretty sure that once you locked in into something, you guys have this passionate inclination or engagement, ensuring na you will be successful in any of it, right? So, gusto kong bigyan kayo ng confidence or yun bang tiwala na ang Amare is a really good partner into this journey. Okay, so we move to the next slide, please. I'd like to introduce to you our very own chairman and owner, Mr. David Chung. He is better known as a serial entrepreneur. You can Google him actually because he has owned so many established businesses in the industry, not just in the industry, in different industries in the United States. And one thing that's also very important to note is that he is an Asian American. So naiintindihan niya ang kultura ng isang Asian. On the screen, you see that there are different circles that surrounds Amare. What is exciting and why we feel so passionate and excited about is that Amare is at the center of all of Mr. Chung's enterprises. So yung mga nakikita nyong ibang bilog-bilog na yan, ito po ay ang mga negosyo ng pagmamayari at pagmamayari ng ating owner, ng ating chairman. He owns an iLabs manufacturing and R&D company that has produced so many wonderful products in the market, lalong-lalo na po sa US. And if you're familiar and if you love shopping at Sephora, many of his products have actually been known, well loved, well purchased, and has millions of social media exposures because of the quality of the products. I'm pretty sure you have heard of Pharmacy, Farmacy, which used to be one of the best selling products of iLabs manufacturing facility. And I'm pretty sure later on you will be excited about dahil meron pong hair care products ang iLabs na kumpanya ng pagmamay-ari ni Mr. David Chong. He also owns a packaging solutions and manufacturing company. Kaya 'di ba, we are excited. These little things, actually hindi siya little kasi napakalaki niyang bagay, makes it even more, it actually solidifies yung ating emosyon, yung ating oras, yung ating pagtitiwala because one entity of his business creates and formulates products and another entity actually creates those nice and luxurious packaging. 'Di ba ngayong panahon na 'to, importante ang packaging kasi yung mga customers hindi lang basta iniinom produkto, 'di ba? Nag-unboxing sila, nagpapakita ng kagandahan ng package before they even take it. We are getting into the era of being visual. Everything and anything is visual because of course with the power of social media. Another thing that is worthy to note of is that he has established a business in real estate. So, si Mr. Chong yung tipong, if you cannot buy it, build it. May ganun siyang mentality. And he has the capability to do so because his own company. He is also the owner of a very known brand, especially in the US, called The Rootist. This is a specialized hair care regimen. So these are very effective hair care products that we are excited about because we're working on bringing that in the Philippines. So makikita niyo po, next slide please. Actually, inunahan ko na, di ba, dahil excited kaming maikwento sa inyo na all of these companies belong to Mr. Chong, and he has actually been featured in the Forbes magazine just recently. A month ago lang po ito, where he has been interviewed. The magazine has asked about his vision about Amare. He has shared so many ideas with that, the vision, the target of the company, where are we directed? Because we are not just going to be limited with the idea na network marketing lang tayo. The idea and the vision is to become the next generation marketing, which means to say that your platform is not just limited to one-on-one talks, to inviting, recruiting, prospecting, because this new platform, this new generation will allow you to explore and expand your horizons and your reach to your customers or to even your prospects. So, dito makikita natin na hindi lang tayo limited sa mga one-on-one talks, sa recruitment and all that because we will revolutionize a new kind of industry in the game. And the forefront of our products will always be mental wellness. Diba? How exciting is that? Next slide, please. So, as you can see, it's really, really exciting to note that there are so many things that are happening. I think the slide is not moving, Lance. Okay. Ayun. Parang nagahang yung ating mga slide. I think it would be great if we can just, separate the slides together.
Sige po, let me do that quickly.
So anyway, I think kaya nagka-problema rin kami ng ganito kanina kasi masyadong heavy yung ating deck. So maybe we can just separate the deck altogether. So we are sharing with you the fact that our company, it may be new at the moment, di ba? Medyo new po siya ngayon sa panahon ngayon because it's just 1 year in the industry with the new ownership of Mr. David Chong. But we want to provide you that, the feeling of confidence that Mr. Chong, the owner, has actually poured in a lot of investment in this company in the span of 1 year. We have developed a state-of-the-art and expanded, by the way, a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in our Mahwah, New Jersey location. So makikita nyo po na ang dami po nating pwedeng gawin. The vision, the opportunity is unlimited. It's unsurmounted kasi dami pong pwedeng mangyari ngayon sa atin. And what makes us even feel more confident is the fact that bago na po lahat, no? There's new ownership, there's strong leadership led by our CEO, Asma Ishak. So you can also Google her and all of her credentials to make you feel confident na ang nagli-lead sa ating kumpanya are credible, established individuals who are backed up with years and years of experience. At hindi lamang po experience, but really successful experience. Lance, I cannot move the slides. If you can please
Okay,
move the
sure.
slides.
We're flashing the arrow. Can you see it, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll move on to the next one.
Yes, please. So he also owns an IT company. So ang maganda po dito sa atin, di ba, we are revolutionizing our platform and we're so lucky that we are capable to do that because the owner owns an IT company himself. So his IT company actually serves the US, Asia markets, and even European markets. Next slide, please. Okay, and the most, siyempre, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ng mga ibang company ni Mr. Chung is iLabs because this is the entity that we work closely with dahil dito po pinoproduce sa state-of-the-art facility na to ang ating mga produkto. We make sure that the ingredients, the formulation, how it's done, meet the highest standards, ensuring efficacy and effectivity of our products. Next slide, please. I already mentioned about Moray. Some of the packaging that probably you see na ginagamit ng ibang luxury brands, you will be surprised because some of those packaging actually come from Moray Packaging, which is also owned by the owner of our company, Amare. Next slide, please. Beauty Bank is actually the master of the Rooties and other products of the company. Next slide, please. And this is the Rooties products na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na hair care. We are excited because, being a mental wellness company, kailangan po holistic tayo, di ba? Lagi nga nating sinasabi, ang ating buhok ay ang ating crowning glory. Di ba minsan, pag bad hair day ka, bad mood ka na rin, right? So, tayo, we're not just taking care of our, well-being by taking the right supplements, by creating a really good environment for our gut and that brain connection, but we are looking into the every detail of the human existence. Syempre kasama na doon yung hair, di ba? Minsan nakakalimutan natin pero alam nating lahat na all of us are conscious about our hair. We want to have shiny and, strong kind of hair. So kasama po yan sa iniisip natin. At hindi lamang yan, we are already working on bringing those products in the Philippines very soon. Next slide, please. And syempre, excited din kami dito because it's already coming. This is one of a state-of-the-art kind of technology na nandito sa skincare na ito. I wish I could even say more about the details of this brand, but it's coming very soon and we are so excited about this kasi kakaiba po siya na skincare. It's really gonna revolutionize the skincare market. And ang maganda po nito ay kayo yung nasa forefront nitong ating products and ng ating kumpanya na ito. Next slide, please. Okay. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, capitalization goes hand in hand with ownership. It is important na yung company na magiging partner ninyo ensures na hindi kayo mabibitawan sa ere. 'Di ba? Mahirap yung naka-establish na kayo, mahirap sa lahat ang nag-uumpisa. Pero ang pinakamahirap sa lahat, yung nakapag-umpisa ka na, tas biglang mawawala, right? So we feel you, and we want to make sure that you have that feeling of trust and confidence with the company dahil alam naming lahat, na nasa tamang kamay tayo dito sa ating negosyong ito. Our owner has invested, in just a span of 6 months when he acquired the company, na nag-invest na kaagad siya ng mga state-of-the-art facilities, ng mga tools that will help us really maximize the opportunity of our business. Next slide, please. We will talk about products this time because I'm pretty sure products are very important. These are actually to us, key ingredients, to complete the holistic approach, to complete a really successful type of business. Kung walang magandang produkto, hindi siya sustainable. But we are so happy because our products that we carry, especially the Triangle of Health, yung tatlong produkto po natin, ay talaga namang nag-take na talaga ng roots sa market at alam na ng mga tao niyan. You can check at, I would say thousands of testimonials with regards to that products. But what is great about Amare now is that we are still creating, and making the formulation even better using finest ingredients. So next slide, please. Lance, maybe you can just click on that every kind of a few 1 minute or less so that we can, move forward fast. So efficacy and exclusivity for ingredients are very important. Nagdadagdag po tayo ng mga ingredients sa mga reformulation natin ng mga ingredients, ng mga raw materials that can actually enhance and make the products even more effective. We are continuously working very hard to ensure that our manufacturing facility innovates, improves, and would be able to cater to bigger and bigger volumes of productions. Kasi gusto po natin na lahat ng magjo-join sa Amare will be able to really, sustain the business and maximize the opportunity kasi nandiyan yung produktong magbaback up sa kanila. We value clinical studies. Importante po sa owner natin ang clinical studies because these are going to supplement what you are talking about. Importante po sa atin yung walking the talk. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na ito effective just because we say so. We say it is effective because it is backed up by clinical studies. And not just clinical studies on the raw ingredients, but also on the finished goods. Why? Because reputation is important. We are the first and the only mental wellness company in the world. Like I said earlier on, I want that to sink in. Marami kayong produktong maririnig dyan sa labas na wellness, immunity, weight management, skincare, transformation, reset. But only one company can really talk about holistic approach, and that is Amare. Because when we say mental wellness, that encompasses everything. Kumbaga sa mind, body, spirit, kasama lahat dyan. And I want to encourage everyone to look at the screen and, parang immerse yourself with the idea that this is the industry where you belong to now. It is not just immunity. It is not just, general wellness. It is not just weight management. This is the mental wellness landscape. $330 billion ang ating projection in a span of 2 years. 2025 na ngayon, mid of 2025. You have 1.5 years to make sure that you partake in this $330 billion industry. This is the market value of the company you are choosing to join now. Your products, the business model is the one that's gonna back you up. We are very proud to show you the products that's coming our way. We are taking it seriously, making it sure na hindi lamang yung produkto, pati yung packaging natin ay binibigyan ng importansya. We are transforming old look to new look. Yan po ang nangyayari at yan po ang darating ng mga produkto sa atin. We value the quality of the products. We understand the needs of the market now. Ultimo color, ultimo design, ultimo specific experience that you will get from the product ay pinag-iisipan po ng ating kumpanya. We are not just, yung white label brands na kulay puting lalagyan at nilagyan lang ng sticker. We are more than that. So ang produkto po natin ay pinag-iisipan ultimo lalagyan to make sure that the efficacy of the product is maintained. Even the cup, alam niyo po ba yung embossed na yan? Napakamahal po yan na klase ng packaging. And some companies, you see, puti lang yung bote nila, pare-parehong itsura, nagbago lang ng label kasi ini-sticker lang. Your products that you will be sharing soon in the market is way better than that. So may custom tactile logo, may design, may lead. And as you move into this, as you see this later on, ultimo ingredients ng dyan, and you will see what are the specific designs and illustrations that come with it, makes it even more enticing for your customers. You will see a QR code that will help you speak to your customers even if you're not present. Bakit po? Pag kinik nyo yung QR code, it will already lead you to the description, information about the products. Ano yung dosage, ano yung benefits, how will you take it, nandiyan na. So, kung ang customer ninyo makakalimutin, hindi na kayo mahihirapang sagutin ang bawat tanong nila kasi you can just lead them to the QR code and at their fingertips, using their mobile phones, they can already understand what the products are all about. Hindi ba exciting yan? Kumbaga, tinutulungan ka na mas makakonect sa iyong mga customers. Even our boxes, no, are not ordinary boxes. Pati ba naman loob, di ba? Merong print, di ba? Pwede namang hindi nalagyan ng print yung loob kasi gastos pa yon, right? But because our company values quality and the experience of buying our products, ito po ay ibinibigay ng company sa atin. For the total experience, when you buy a high quality product, every inch and every bit of it is well thought of. Yan po yung mga packaging na darating sa atin. Now, you will see, meron po tayong mga brands na may Amare label na, maybe Amare old label or new label. This is because we are transitioning into this new packaging. Of course, we want to ask for your patience because you know how it is in our industry when you go through the process of transformation. But the assurance is that these are going to be the look and these are going to be part of your representation. Ikaw to. Part yan ng credibility mo. That when you show and share the products, you will be assured na high quality, de kalidad yung produktong kinikerry mo. So sabi nga natin, this is for the whole family. We even think, that Kids Happy Juice is really important for the kids because it helps, it has an advanced nutrition component that helps every child na magkaroon ng happy gut and bright mind. So these products are some of the things that we plan to bring in as well. In some markets, meron po siya. But of course, allow us in terms of like timeline, kasi iba po ang timeline ng bawat market. We follow, of course, every country regulation. Kaya meron po tayong timeline na sinusunod. But it's gonna be exciting kasi hindi lamang po pang matanda ang magiging produktong kinikerry ninyo. Ultimo bata po ay kinikerry din, binibigyan din po natin ng pansin. So, effective and innovative products are at the forefront of every core ng ating negosyo. Ang manufacturing facility po natin spans 145,000 square feet. Okay? At yun po yung original na lugar, pero meron pa po tayong south and north wing expansion. So this is how we are planning to support your business. No, hindi po ito biro. The owner is very decided, very committed to be able to support every brand partner na talagang magkakaroon kayo ng produkto na dekalidad at masusuportahan talaga kayo ng kumpanyang ito. Okay? So, okay, next slide please.
We have the video of the facility, ma'am.
Okay, so we want to show you, itutur namin kayo sa kung ano yung facility natin through the experience of the presidential diamonds of the company. So please enjoy this video.
There are so few times in life that you have the opportunity to be the first at something.
1, 2, 3.
And that's what I saw in Amari.
got a platform here that the world needs to see.
Since David joined Amare, what I've seen is action. He puts out there what he wants for the company, and we see the action in alignment with his goals, and that's really important for me.
I've never seen anything in my 25 years in international business like I am seeing here.
Every single thing that David has said, it's not only going to be done, but it's being done way faster than we could ever imagine.
We are doing everything much more faster than ever before.
David walks the talk. He doesn't just make promises that he can't keep.
Absolutely innovation at its best. There is no other company out there that is innovating at the speed and at the rate that Amare is today.
He brings a level of experience and expertise that I have not seen in this industry before.
He not only put money in, but also put lots of time and effort, so I can see the great future for Amare.
This has absolutely exceeded my expectations.
It was beyond my expectations. The things that I have seen, the vision, the innovations, the investments, and our own production line.
I'm overwhelmed with what David has done, what his team has done. Reality far exceeds my expectations.
It's about action and making things happen. Touring the facility out in New Jersey was mind-blowing.
Very eye-opening, very eye-opening. The smiles are coming back.
I don't know how else to put it, but it is an awesome company, and we're at the right place at the right time.
In 5 years, I see Amare as a household name. Happy juice on every counter, mental wellness products in the homes of every family across the globe.
I see Amare not only as a multi-billion-dollar company in the next 5 years, I see Amare as the vehicle to help millions and millions of people across the globe with their mental wellness.
The potential for us to lead this space as the mental wellness leader around the globe.
Every single person knows somebody who needs Amare's products, their community, their financial opportunity.
What I'm most excited about is leading this movement of mental wellness and changing the world with it. The long-term vision. We know where we're going as a company. We have amazing leadership. We have amazing vision.
We're seeing operational excellence in action.
So the company of love, and the company of love stands above anything else. It is the most powerful energy of all.
When I think about the future of Amare, I am so excited about the impact we're having in the world. The mission of Amare stood out to me above all else.
My belief in the company and my vision has grown tenfold since David came, and I know that we're going to be able to make a massive global impact.
Right now, we need Amare more than ever.
Grabe, di ba? So coming from the, from the words of the presidential diamond, who come from different backgrounds, who have been, some of them are even TED Talk speakers, consultants from multinational companies as well, but doing business in Amare, di ba parang nakakapagbigay po talaga ng kumpiyansa sa bawat tao na gustong magtiwala sa Amare. Not only that, we are very particular with operational excellence because we wanted to make sure na when the company acquired Amare, we are trying to revolutionize everything from processes to technology and to the total experience. So, kasama po kayo dun sa transition phase na yan. But pasalamat tayo kasi nandito na tayo sa point na nag-stabilize na yung transition na yan. So, we're very excited of what's the future holds for all of us and for all of you because it is really going to be very, very exciting. Next slide, please. Shipping is very important. We are continuously creating and forging partnerships with different logistical partners to make sure na mas mapapadali ang ating mga delivery, ang ating mga shipping. But not only that, we're also working on projects here dito sa Pilipinas where we want to see a regional approach. Yun bang mas magiging malapit ang produkto sa mga tao, mas magiging accessible ito, at mas madaling makuha yung opportunity because it's just gonna be near you. Later on, I'm gonna expand more on that initiative that we're doing here in the Philippines. Pero, syempre, overall, sabi nga natin, we are the next generation marketing company. We are not just focusing on forging partnerships for people who wants to do the business. Gusto rin natin to ensure that you guys, our brand partners, are going to have a solid, customer base. Because imagine, kung meron kang customer base na solid, year on year, month on month, day after day, they use every product, ito yung magbibigay sa iyo ng sustainable additional profit, because even without you looking for people to bring in, your business is still moving forward and growing because you have a solid customer base. So sa atin po, pinagko-combine po natin yun. And through a revolutionized platform, we will be creating, all of these dynamics. Ito po yung proseso na inaayos at ginagawa ng company natin to make sure that the total experience of being in business with our company is going to be worthy of your time. Sabi ko nga, di ba, you have 1.5 years to reach 2027. You have 1.5 years to partake in that $330 billion mental wellness space. And all of these are, of course, dependent on your effort. Pwede namang magtumpik-tumpik lang tayo, or pwede namang ibuhos mo ang effort mo dito sa 1.5 years na to. Dahil sa amin, naniniwala kami dito sa Amare that a vision without execution is just an illusion. So kahit na mag-usap tayo ngayong gabi, kausapin kayo ng mga uplines or mga friends ninyo dito na let's join in, let's bolt in, let's be together, let's move forward, it's not gonna make any difference because at the end of the day, it is you who's going to work for it, it is you who's going to make a decision, it is you who's going to be moving forward. Kahit na anong gawing tulak sa inyo ng mga taong gustong tumulong sa inyo, if you yourself wants to stagnate, nandito lang tayo sa isang lugar, yung nagda-doubt ka at hindi ka nakakagalaw, di ba? Yung nag-a-analyze tayo ng nag-a-analyze hanggang sa ma-paralyze tayo dahil hindi tayo makamove, then it's gonna be nothing. So to us, here in Amare, we take seriously this next generation marketing strategy. We are creating this platform. Tayo yung nag-create niyan. You will see us, na we will be detaching ourselves to mga old norms na nakakapag-pigil sa growth at ng opportunity ng bawat brand partners natin. To us, we are not just a direct selling business. Hindi tayo limited dun sa kahon na dito lang tayo, na magre-recruit lang tayo, na magi-invite lang tayo, na magi-sponsor o magi-enroll lang tayo. We are not just that. We are a combination of direct selling and, revolutionizing the space, putting it together. We are transforming the landscape through this new generation marketing landscape. Yan po tayo dito sa Amare. And like I said, it will all start on you. You are going to make a decision, not your upline, not your friends, not those who have invited you to join in. It is you who's gonna make that decision. Okay? So, next slide, please. Now, I want to show you that, while we understand the importance of operational excellence, we also tailor fit it according to the market. Alam nating lahat na ang ating mahal na bansa ay divided into 3 big regions, the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Logistically, di ba, hindi naman ganun kadaling bumiyahe, di ba, na isang oras lang, nandito ka na sa isang lugar. Shipping can take like 5 to 7 days or even 15 days in some areas. Shipping may not even be possible in some areas. We are open to that idea. We know that. We consider that. And that is why we are looking into expanding our reach to be able to, be connected to our brand partners much closer. Recently, last week of April, we opened our very first pickup center in Davao City. And this is just 1 year, less than a year, less than my year here in Amare. So take a look at our dynamics and the people in our Mindanao area. Let's please play the video. Ayan, grabe 'di ba? So exciting kasi nandito po tayo sa process na gusto nating ma-reach natin ang lahat ng mga kababayan natin dito sa Pilipinas. We know a lot of people need our products. We know a lot of people need an opportunity, 'di ba? Baka hindi nila na-explore na meron palang industriya na pwedeng tumulong sa kanila, May it be an additional income or maybe a life-changing decision. Because siguro kayo, nandito na kayo, karamihan sa inyo, nandito na sa industriya na to at alam natin kung ano ang opportunity at kagandahan ng industry na to. But not a lot of people in our country understand that or even appreciate that. So we want to be able to reach to those markets, to those areas, for them to understand, that it is easy to do this business. And in this point, at this point, we also encourage you to follow our Facebook page, our social media pages, because this is one way for us to connect with you. This is one way for us to show you what's in store for us for the month, for the coming seasons, whatever it is. This is where you can see what we do here in Amare and how you can leverage on those things para makatulong ito sa inyong business. So please follow our Facebook page and Instagram pages so that you get more aware and you get more information about anything about this partnership. Not only that, we also create some of the little promotions that we have. Kaya naman, kapag kayo ay naka 11,200 peso worth of purchase, yung shipping ninyo, regardless kung gaano man ito kabigat, is already free. So wherever it is gonna be in the Philippines, pag kayo ay naka-purchase ng 11,200 peso worth of products, you will have your products at your doorsteps free. On top of that, we value events and exciting, mga incentive programs. Ngayong buwan na to, ang last month to qualify sa ating Path to Paradise incentive program, where people who qualified will go to Bali, Indonesia. So, alam naman natin, no, lahat naman ng destination na yan, kayang-kaya nyong puntahan, right? But the idea of going there for free and enjoying this together with your friends and fellow business partners is exciting. Kasi hindi lang yung experience, but also the lesson that you can learn from the experience and from mingling and, interacting with equally successful or even other successful business partners here in our company. So meron tayong programa na yan and I'm pretty sure kaya-kaya nyo pang habulin yan. Kasi ngayong June, naka-double points po tayo. So if you're interested and you want to get more details about this program, please ask the person who invited you to attend this session so that they can provide you more information. And of course, last but not the least, of course, we're excited because this coming July is going to be the global convention that's going to be happening in Orlando, Florida. So ito po ay nasa Coronado Disney Resort Springs and it's gonna be on July 24 to 26 sa Orlando, Florida, United States of America po ito. I think the slide didn't move again, Lance. Okay? And then, of course, aside from that, naniniwala kami na excited tayong lahat dito because the Asia Pacific Convention is going to be happening here in Metro Manila on January 22 to 24, 2026. So, ang dami kong excitement na naririnig kanina because if you want to be recognized during the APAC Convention, where other countries, other people from other markets are going to be joining us here, then you have now until December to work on it very hard. Again, uulitin ko, 1.5 years to achieve the projection of 330 billion in this mental wellness landscape. Hindi lamang po ito sa Amare, sa buong industriya po, ganyan po kalaki ang mental wellness landscape. So you have this month until December to make a difference. So ikaw yung magsasabi sa sarili mo, how am I gonna see myself in December? What will I achieve by December? So this is a call out to everyone. I hope you take the challenge. I hope you take this seriously because we are very serious to provide that support and to welcome you all into this Amare family. So thank you very much. Now I pass on the floor to our marketing and events manager for the discussion of our compensation plan. Should you have questions, you can actually send your questions to your sponsors or to the people who invited you here in at ang ating mga leaders na nandito because technically we've already provided them some answers kanina so you can talk more in-depthly on the next steps or on the strategies that you plan to do moving forward. So everyone, we are so happy for you to be here. We welcome you with all of our hearts here in Amare. We welcome you to the Amare family. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Stella. So nagustuhan po ba natin yung short discussion about who we are and why we are the mental wellness company? Nagustuhan po ba natin? Can we see a heart in the chat? Para naman alam natin nagising lahat ng tao. There we go. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of hearts in the chat. Thank you so much for that. Okay. And I know inaabangan din po natin how we can maximize though magaganda talaga ang products ni Amare, we also want to know how we can, how Amare can help us financially, as what Ms. Stella mentioned earlier, Amare is actually a company whose owner is very much financially stable. Lagi po namin sinasabi na dito sa Amare, hindi kayo nakasandal sa pader, nakasandal kayo sa bundok. Okay, and the Amare compensation plan is actually built for your future. You only have to remember about 3 things in the compensation plan of Amare. It's strong, it's stable, and it's a business opportunity that is designed to sustain and be sustainable for your future, for you and your next generations. So there are 5 ways to earn in Amare. So the first one is we have what we call the retention bonus. So I will dissect each and every bullet points in this on this slide, and then isa-isahin po natin siya, no? So we have what we call the retention bonus, where you can earn 2,700 pesos for your efforts and 13,500 pesos if your team is able to duplicate kung ano yung ginawa mo sa kanila. You also get a customer bonus, of which you can earn up to 10% on the purchases of your customers. And ang maganda pa po dito is we have what we call the rank advancement bonuses. Ito po ay designed wherein for each rank, meron po kayong makukuhang bonus. And this is really something to look forward to at the end of each rank, no? And then of course, we have 2 types of bonuses that will help build the foundation of your success. This is what we call the balance and the infinity bonuses. And of course, we have the generation bonus, wherein when you've gone up through the ranks, meron pa po tayong ma-earn na bonuses from the people under us, regardless kung hanggang sa pinakailalim, o nasa pinakailalim na siya, and you might not even know these people yet, you are still earning bonuses from them. So what do we do to begin? We start the business by signing up with our enrollment packages. So these are our enrollment packages. We have the Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack, we have the Power Builder Pack, we have the Nitro Combo Builder Pack, the Extreme Triangle of Wellness Intro Pack, and the Happy Juice Intro Pack. As what Ms. Stella mentioned earlier, kilala po ang products ng Kayani, the Triangle of Wellness, to be very effective, and it has really helped a lot of people. And then we have the products in the Amare side, which is the mental wellness company. We have mental wellness product, which we call the Happy Juice. So pag tiningnan nyo po siya, this is actually an overall, it's an overall wellness product. It's an overall wellness package. Kaya what we recommend really is to get the Power Builder Pack, because you will get a set of the Triangle of Wellness as well as the set of the Happy Juice. Okay? Now, before we begin, we just have to be familiar with the terms in our compensation plan. Okay, the first one is what we call the personal volume. So the personal volume is basically the volume na binibili ninyo para sa sarili ninyo. So usually personal volume is 100 QV. Okay? Ano ba tong 100 QV? What is QV? QV means qualifying volume. So this is the volume in which it's used to determine the qualification for ranks, commissions, and to calculate other bonuses. But much more than the QV, in order to calculate commissions, we use what we call the commissionable volume, or the CV. Okay, so yun lang po yung tatandaan natin. We have the QV and then we have the CV. QV for ranks and then CV for commission bonuses. Okay, next we have what we call enroller. Ang enroller po ay kayo yan. Yung mga mag-i-enroll na mga brand partners or mga tao na ilalagay natin sa ating team. Okay? And then placement sponsor is based on the placement tree. This means that when a brand partner joins the company, the person who introduced them, which is kayo, will be able to choose a location in your tree kung saan nyo po ikakabit yung kakasign up nyo lang na brand partner. We also have what we call organizational volume. Para sa madaling explanation to, overall organizational volume is basically the volume of your entire leg. This is what we call the organizational volume, or OV. Personal customer volume naman is the sum of the PV of a brand partner's personally enrolled customer's order. Meron po kasi tayong dalawang ways to introduce the business, no? It's either through customers or through brand partners. The total QV, or the total volume from customers going up to you, is what we call the personal customer volume. Meron naman tayong tinatawag na personal team volume. So the PTV is the sum of the brand partner's own PV and the PV of their personally sponsored brand partners or customers. So everyone to na kayo mismo ang nag-sponsor personally. Okay, and of course, we have what we call the subscribe and save volume. So the SSV is something that I would like to stress on. Moving forward, from this slide onwards, no, please always remember that being on SSV or Subscribe and Save will actually give you better bonuses. Ang Subscribe and Save po, para sa mga hindi pa familiar kung ano ito, is basically purchasing products using your credit card, tapos monthly po siyang na-charge sa inyong card. So meron po kayong monthly supply ng products. Why is it important? I will be discussing it in a bit. Okay? So let's get started. Before we dwell or before we go into the other bonuses, let us first understand what we call a career path or the rank chart. Ito po yung different ranks dito sa Amare. So, you can see on your screens that the lowest rank is a brand partner and the highest rank is a presidential diamond. Ano po yung nakikita natin dito sa chart na to? You'll notice that from the brand partner all the way up to the presidential diamond, kahit gaano na po yung kinikita ninyo, gaano na kalaki yung kinikita ninyo, your PV, which is your overhead expense here in Amare, remains the same at 100 QV. Hindi po yan tumataas. So, kung brand partner ka, your monthly maintenance or your monthly PV is 8,500. When you've gone up through the ranks, you become a presidential diamond, your PV or your maintenance is still at 8,500. Yun po yung maganda dito. It doesn't change regardless if you hit higher ranks. Okay? Now, in order to understand the remaining columns of the rank chart is you have to read it from right to left. Okay? So, ano bang requirements para ma-attain ang mga rank na to? Okay, let's first focus on the OV and the VOLL. Okay? Assuming that you want to hit the rank of platinum, the first requirement is you need to have at least 7,500 volume outside largest leg. Okay? So, meron kang base leg o yung leg na may pinakamalaking volume, tapos you have a total of small legs. Also pala, ang maganda po dito sa Amare is you can build your business as wide as you want and as deep as you want. Because ang determining factor ng bonuses natin would be the base leg, which is the leg that has the biggest volume, and then the total of all small legs or the volume outside the largest legs. So, i-combine po yon. So, going back, if, for example, your aim is platinum, you need to have at least 7,500 QV volume combined dun sa mga maliliit mo na legs. And then you have to just fulfill whatever is the difference to reach 15,000, which is another 7,500. Ganun po ang pag-intindi sa rank chart. Please always remember that you need to check your volume outside largest legs volume first para mas madali nating makompute kung anong rank yung may hit natin. Now, if you'll notice from silver all the way to presidential diamond, merong mga requirements na ranks sa ilalim ng personally sponsored leg ninyo. So, if you want to aim for platinum, you have to make sure that you have 2 bronze on any of your legs. At least may 2 bronze. Isang bronze sa isang leg, tapos isang bronze sa other leg. So, yun po yung kailangan nating tandaan. Anyway, we will be giving you a copy of the career path chart para you can understand it, go through it, browse it some more para you can also do your own computation. Now, since we are still in the transitioning phase from Kayani to Amare now, Amare is generous enough to give us what we call a new launch special program. Ano ba itong new launch special program? Instead na bubuuhin ninyo ang requirement ng volume outside largest leg, sorry, hindi nag-next yung slide ko. Sorry. Ayan. So from June to August 2025, hindi po buo ang requirement ng outside largest leg ninyo. So if you'll notice when we go to platinum, yun yung example natin kanina, originally ang volume outside largest leg ng platinum is 7,500. But from June to August of this year, you are only required to fulfill 4,500 volume outside largest leg. Okay? And then come September to November, it's going up to 6,000, and by December, kailangan nyo nang i-fulfill yung talagang requirement, which is 7,500. Okay? Now, let's go on to the first type of bonus which we call the Me and 3. Ano ba itong Me and 3? Explain ko na lang po ng mas madali siyang intindihin, no? So, you, as the enroller, you have to be on Subscribe and Save. Maghanap lang po kayo ng tatlong brand partners who will also be on Subscribe and Save. You will earn 2,700 pesos. Outright bonus yan. Now, if yung tatlo na to na inisponsoran mo goes on Subscribe and Save, goes on Subscribe and Save, next month and the month succeeding, may makukuha po kayong additional 2,700 pesos, which we call personal retention bonus. So meron ka on the first month and then meron ka each month thereafter as long as they are active Subscribe and Save. Now, what happens if these three people also looks for their three people that they personally sponsor, and the three people that they sponsored also go on Subscribe and Save? You are again entitled to earn an additional 13,500 pesos additional bonus if this happens. So this is the power of duplication, this is the power of sharing, this is the power of retention. Ang Me and 3 lang po is you only get it once per month. So, dun lang siya iikot sa tatlo. So, kung makahanap ka ng 6, dun pa rin siya sa tatlo, the first 3 mo na ibabayaran ka for the Me and 3 bonus. Pero, ang mga tanong po kasi sa amin kanina is, what if magaling ako mag-recruit? For example, naka-recruit ako ng 50 people or naka-recruit ako ng 60 people in 1 month. Sayang naman yung Me and 3. Yes and no. Kasi the Me and 3 pays you for the first 3 lang, di ba? But there is what we call the product pack bonus. Ano ba itong product pack bonus? So the product pack bonus simply means that every time you enroll a brand partner, you get 20% from the CV of the package na kinuha nila. Okay? So sorry, wait lang po. I'll just remove the annotation ha, para hindi po siya nakaharang. Okay. So for example, dito sa screen na nakikita ninyo, as I've mentioned, if you are the enroller, you are entitled to 20%. Now, using the Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack as an example, the Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack has 500 CV. So what we do is 500 CV times 20% times 54 is equal to 5,400 pesos. So that is what you will get each time you sponsor a brand partner with a Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack. Now, going back to the example na na-raise kanina, kung meron kang 50, tapos na ikaw lahat ang sponsor nun, you will earn an additional, that's 54 times 50, 270,000 pesos. That's on top of the Me and 3. But the product pack bonus is only paid once pag nag-sign up lang yung brand partner. Now, you may ask, paano naman yung upline nung nag-enroll? May makukuha din ba? Yes. So from the enroller to the next silver upline, so enroller, yung nag-sponsor ng enroller, yung nag-sponsor dun sa nag-sponsor, up to the next silver, okay, dun sa next silver rank na yon, that silver is actually entitled to 10% of the CV of the package na kinuha ng brand partner. So 500 CV times 10% times 54, that silver gets an additional 2,700 pesos. But it doesn't end there. So the system looks again to the next leader and above. The leader and above is entitled to 5% of the 500 CV from the Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack. So that leader is entitled to get 1,350 pesos. Nakikita po ba natin yung beauty ng product pack bonus? Ang maganda po sa product pack bonus, it is paid weekly. So kung magaling kayo mag-sign up, if you're able to sign up 50 new brand partners with, say, the Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack, you have about 270,000 the next week on top of the Me and 3, on top of the other bonuses. Okay? Do we have any questions so far tungkol sa product pack bonus and then sa Me and 3? You can leave questions in the chat po if you have, huh? Okay, so seeing none, we move forward to the next type of bonus, which we call the customer bonus. So the customer bonus has two types of tiers, the 5% and the 10% bonus. So you earn 5% of your customers' purchase if the total of the customer's purchase is 1 to 999 CV purchases, or let's say 11 Happy Juice packs. So these are 11 customers. Kung meron kang 11 customers purchasing a Happy Juice, you will get, on top of everything, 2,643.30. If you're able to look for 12 customers purchasing the Happy Juice, you get an additional 5,767.20. Now, if every month they purchase Happy Juice, yung 12 na yon, then you will get every month an additional 5,767 pesos, 0.20 pesos. Okay? But, and as you know, some of you might see this na parang hindi siya masyadong malaki. Yes, but the volume of the customer actually goes up to you, which will then be added to the balance bonus and then the infinity bonus. Okay? Malaki po kasi ang chunk ng bonus from the balance bonus and from the infinity bonus, especially if you have customers and you have brand partners. Now, ano ba tong balance bonus na sinasabi ko? So, the balance bonus is part of the two types of bonuses that I mentioned earlier. That is basically the foundation of your Amare bonuses. So the first one is the balance bonus. Ang balance bonus is a bonus that's computed using the volume of your combined leg. So looking at the example here, assuming that on your base leg you have 25,000 CV. Again, we're talking about CV because this is commissions. So you have 25,000 CV on your base leg, and your combined leg, sabihin mo natin may dalawa kang leg, tatlo yung legs mo, yung two smallest leg mo has 5,000 and 10,000. So what do we do first? We need to check first kung ano yung rank na na-break ninyo. So you have 25,000 CV on your right, and then a total of 15,000 on your left. So that gives you a total of 40,000. But the first thing we need to identify first is ano yung volume outside largest leg. So 15,000. Let's look at the chart. 15,000 from June to August is for senior leader. Pero ang required overall volume or the organizational volume is 50,000. Eh 40,000 lang yung volume na compute dun sa example na yon. So we go one rank lower. Okay, so we compute at the rank of leader. The rank of leader is computed at 12% of the CV of the combined legs. So how is it computed? So 12% of the 15,000 CV multiplied by our conversion rate, which is 54 pesos to $1, that's equal to 97,200 pesos. Okay? So again, the balance bonus is the bonus that's used to compute for the volume outside largest leg, the combined volume outside largest leg. Now, some of you may ask, paano naman yung base leg? Ano yung computation nun? We have now what we call the infinity bonus. The infinity bonus is paid in addition to all other commissions. Now, the infinity bonus, same as the balance bonus, meron din po siyang tiers and percentages kung paano siya i-compute. So, as we know, we were able to, that example was able to hit the rank of leader. So, that leader has 0.75% of the CV dun sa base leg naman. So, the volume of the base leg is 25,000 pesos. So, you earn 0.75% of 25,000 times 54, which is 10,125, plus the bonus that we get from the balance bonus, which is 97,200. Actually, and technique lang po dito is you have to make sure, in order to maximize this, you always have to have a balanced leg. When you have a balanced leg, you'll make the most out of the balance and infinity bonuses. My question po dito, our customer volume won't be included on our personal 100 volume. Does the customer volume count towards the 100 personal volume? Okay. From the question po of Sir Gerald, sorry. We will have to look into this, no. But from what our understanding, it actually goes up to your personal volume. Yes. Okay po. Do we have other questions? May tanong po ba tayo sa balance bonus and then the infinity bonus? The balance bonus and then the infinity bonus is paid monthly po. So if you're able to break rank, kasi since it's computed at the end of the month, it will be paid on the 15th of the next month. Ang weekly lang po natin is the product pack bonus. The rest of the bonuses are all paid monthly. Do you have any other questions po? Before I discuss the the check match bonus. Wala naman. If a customer orders a product, their purchase example is 70 volume, is it included to our 100 personnel? We'll just look into this, sir, no? Pero from what our understanding kasi, it goes up to your personal. So yes, it's counted to your personal na 100. Okay, so do we have any other questions po? We'll get back to you on this, Sir Gerald, no? We'll get in touch with you po. Thank you. Okay, but then again po, no, we encourage everyone to be on subscribe and save. Kasi, as I explained earlier during the in-person discussion of the compensation plan, since the product pack bonus is paid weekly, we have to make sure that all of our volumes, the 100 PV, is in the system, if not the first day, at least the first week of the month. Because if you're able to look for a lot of people that you signed up on the third or fourth day of the month, tapos hindi kayo nakapag-put in ng 100 PV, lahat po ng production for that week, hindi po siya mapipay out sa inyo. Because the system was not able to read any volume that's credited to your account. So please don't forget, I know since this, in the succeeding months, you're all going to be busy with your Amare business. We don't want you to forget to put in that 100 PV. So please make sure that you go on subscribe and save para hindi nyo na po siya aalalahanin. It's one less thing to worry about para sa paggagawa ninyo ng business. Dire-diretso na po. Okay? So I just wanted to base leg 0 after cutoff. Yes po, all legs are back to 0 after cutoff. Yes, sir, Mike. So, nag-zero out po ang ranks natin, ang volumes at the end of every month. Okay? Sige lang po, if you have any questions, please feel free to type it in the chat and then we will address it as soon as we read it. Okay? The next type of bonus naman is what we call the check match bonus. So as you go up the ranks, you're able to hit the rank of platinum, leader, senior leader, even up to diamond. And then from the rank of platinum all the way to presidential diamond, you are entitled to what we call the check match bonus. Ano bang ibig sabihin nitong check match bonus? So if you're a platinum and above, meron kang generations na na-open. So for example, in this chart here, you can see na yung pinakatuktok niya is actually a diamond. And then when we go to the chart here, the diamond is eligible for up to 6 generations. Ano ba tong generations na sinasabi ko? So one generation means that from you up to the next platinum, lahat ng silver and gold doon, you will earn a percentage depending on the generation kung saan siya nag-fall. Okay, let me explain this. If you will just look in the chart here, as I hover through with my cursor, lahat po ng purple is first generation. Kasi wala pang platinum sa ilalim na yan. So each leg is actually an enrollment leg. Okay? Siya ang personally sponsored niya tong mga to. Personally sponsored niya to, ito. Tapos yung mga tao sa ilalim are all personally sponsored by the upline. So if you'll notice, there's a platinum here and then there's a platinum there. So by definition, a generation starts from you down to the next platinum. So if we look at this line here, itong purple na to, this one, and that, wala po silang platinum sa ilalim. So hahanapin niya lahat ng gold at saka silver sa mga linya na yan, and then the balance bonus of those silvers and those golds, meron kang 10% as diamond. Okay? So kung lahat to, for example, just out of exaggeration, lahat to gold or lahat to silver, you're eligible for 10% of the balance bonus ng lahat ng yan. Kung lahat ng yan gold ay silver. Next, we see that there is a platinum here and then a platinum there. Lahat naman po ng gold and silver sa ilalim ng platinum na yan, you are eligible for 20% since that is already the second generation. Okay? So palalim ng palalim po, nag-iiba ang percentage na nakukuha ninyo depending on the generation that you are able to open or kung gaano kalaki yung network ninyo. Kaya po sinasabi ko kanina, pag masyado ng malaki yung organization ninyo, you won't even know the people under your team because these are people who are sponsored by your personally sponsored downline. And yet, there's a certain percentage that still goes up to you. So, a strategy lang po dito is make sure that you also look for the people that you will personally sponsor under you para dumami at dumami ang mga tao sa ilalim under your sponsor line. Okay? I hope that's clear po. If you have any questions, again, the chat box is open. Please feel free to ask your questions there. Okay? And now we come to one of the more exciting bonuses in Amare. This is what we call the Road to Leader and Rise to Reward. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng Road to Leader? So Road to Leader bonus comes in 3 different tiers: silver, gold, and platinum. Each time that you break or you reach these ranks 4 out of 6 months, you will earn these bonuses. 27,000 for gold, silver, 54,000 for gold, and 108,000 for platinum. Let me expound. For example, you have January, February, March, April, May, and June. Okay? You were able to hit silver January, February, April, and May. Kuha nyo po yung 27,000. Okay? Kasi you were able to hit it 4 out of 6 months. Question, kailan magsa-start yung pagbibilang ng 6 months? The 6 months starts after you hit the rank of silver. Okay? Kung na-hit mo yung rank ng silver ng January, that's your first month. So January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, another question. Lance, what if for example, masyadong malaki yung team ko, hindi ko na nadaanan yung silver, hindi ko na nadaanan yung gold, nadaanan ko na lang yung platinum. So platinum, you will get the 27,000 for silver, you will get the 54,000 for gold, and you will get the 108,000 for platinum. Combined bonuses po yung tatlo. If you're able to advance to platinum agad and you're able to hit it 3 more times for a total of 4, then you get the 3 bonuses under the Road to Leader category. Okay? May nagtanong naman po kanina, what if for example, again, January to June, silver, gold. Ano bang mangyayari dyan? You will get the 27,000 for silver, pero meron ka ng, sorry po, wait lang po, sorry. For a while lang po ha. Sorry, wait lang po. Okay, so going back, I'm so sorry about that. For example, yun nga, silver, gold, and gold, kuha nyo po yung silver. Pero, ang maganda po dyan is, since you're able to hit gold twice already, meron na kayong chance na 2 na lang ang hihit ninyong gold. So the first gold starts the countdown is magto-start dun sa first gold nyo. Okay? Clear po ba? So far, clear po ba ang Road to Leader bonus natin? Okay, mukhang wala naman pong questions, no? Okay, we move on to what we call the rise and reward. So, after the rank of platinum, meron pa po tayong several ranks from leader all the way to presidential diamonds that when you're able to hit these ranks 3 out of 12 months, you will earn the rewards shown on screen. So, for example, if you're able to hit the rank of leader 3 out of 12 months, you will get an additional 162,000 pesos. Say, for example, if you're able to hit the rank of leader 4 months, okay, 4 months po, no? Kuha nyo yung 162,000, kuha nyo din po lahat ng bonuses under Road to Leader. Since mas mataas yung na-hit ninyong rank from all the 3 that's under the Road to Leader category. Same with all the other bonuses in this slide. If you're able to hit the rank of Diamond 3 out of 12 months, then you get all the bonuses from Diamond all the way down. Okay? So I hope that's exciting for everyone because this is very exciting talaga, and this is something that we really look forward to. Now, once you've decided to join Amare, you will also see that in your back office, you will have what we call the special launch business promotions. We have what we call the bundle and save. The bundle and save is a promo wherein bibili ka ng pack, tapos pag gusto mong dagdagan yung products na yon, discounted na yung products na idadagdag ninyo sa bundle na nakuha ninyo. There is also what we call the power of one. So if you sponsor one brand partner, one customer within or before the 15th of the month, you will get a product credit worth of 3,510 pesos. Meron din tayong tinatawag na refer a friend. Refer a friend is basically you send your unique link to them, your Amare link to them, and if they purchase 2,200 pesos or more, that friend of yours gets 540 pesos off. And then of course, we have what we call the Subscribe and Save program. Etong Subscribe and Save Rewards program naman, every time na naka-subscribe and save ka, every month na yan, may naiipon tayong points which we can redeem in the future. Okay? So I hope that's very exciting for everyone and sana may natutunan po tayo. We'll be more than happy to do another training if you want a refresher or if you have any questions. Please feel free to ask them now. Thank you po. If may mga tanong po tayo, we can unmute and then we can type our questions in the chat. Sana po malinaw naman. If you have any questions after this and then may na-realize kayo na, ay, nakalimutan kong itanong, you can always contact our customer service and then we can have another training like this. So if there are no more questions, Ms. Stella, I give back to you the mic. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Lance. And we appreciate the questions that came in. Rest assured po na ang mga leaders ninyo ay nakinig ding mabuti kanina nung discuss po natin sa kanila. So if you have questions later on, you can also ask them, or just like what Lance said, we can, provide that answers to you. Just contact our customer service team. So maraming salamat po for taking the time to join us tonight. And we look forward to seeing everybody in person. Sana magkita-kita tayong lahat sa lalong madaling panahon. And I hope you guys make a decision as soon as possible to join us in this journey and in this advocacy. This is more than just a business. This is a legacy that you're building on, and this is a company that is actually fostering a happy community. So sana po magkita-kita tayo at sana po makita ninyo yung value at yung opportunity na pwede ninyong makuha dito sa ating Amare business. So thanks everyone. Thank you to all the leaders who joined in. Thank you very much for taking the time to join us tonight. Have a great evening, everybody. We hope some of you can join us also later with the call with our chairman, Mr. David Chung himself. Okay. Bye-bye. Have a great evening.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Bye.